we are counting before starting. I asking you, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, counting. 3, 2, 1, D10. Touchdown. Before touchdown, let's collect it. Then touchdown. Just like that.
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
At 75.
Yes, right.
Okay.
You are feel to the hover.
Hover.
Then heading change. Okay, you are counting.
Three.
Before asking.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. Autorotation. 3, 2, 1.
D10.
D10.
Then let's collect
yeah.
you. Do not too much upcycling, okay?
Too much of
Yeah, the hovering.
Okay.
Okay, pick up.
Pick up.
Yeah, take care the pick up.
Okay. Okay.
Then I don't skate and again get check.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, green. F center. Carpet carpet down.
Maybe this helicopter cabin down, automatically raise quality. That's why, if you cabin off, you are touching, then pushing.
Okay.
Then you are protected and raise quality.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, I understand.
Because this helicopter very easy to
raise the
raise quality.
Yeah.
That's why. Every helicopter you have to
I got it. Yeah.
Then you can keep the safety.
Okay.
Okay,
Safety.
pick up please.
Okay.
Then light on skid.
Light on.
Then looking further. Good. Okay, the hovering
here.
fast.
Yeah.
Then you hovering. Then next you are relaxed. Little bit lower than the hover height.
Okay.
Okay, relax.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, then heading in. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, how about rotation? 3, 2, 1.
D10. Right, let's
collect it.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Then down correct.
Down.
You are very easy, right? If you looking, then
horizon. Yeah.
Yeah. One more time.
One more time.
Yeah.
Pick up. Okay, RPM off.
If you looking down too much, very difficult. If you looking further, very easy.
Okay. Okay, carpet down.
Yes, good.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, green. F center. Curve time is out of yellow. No warning light, no booster line. Tab is green.
Okay.
Okay.
Lots of traffic. That's not 51594.
594 second.
Lots of traffic. 51594.
594. You can set your cross when they're over signal.
Crossing over Signer Hail 50594.
Just the 775 for early 26 left signal.
Good. And every time hover auto rotation practice into wind better than for safety.
Okay.
If you tailwind and enter, wind push here.
Okay.
That's why into wind better.
Okay.
Okay, you have.
Okay, back.
Okay, just I follow you.
Okay.
Okay. Little bit lower. Little bit. Okay, good.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, hover rotation. 3, 2, 1.
D10, right pedal. You are really big,
Yeah. Late.
Yeah,
a little bit late.
Then need more practice, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then pick up again. Then,
Okay, pick up.
back to
Back to pad. Okay. Okay, carpet down.
See, really big, very difficult, right? If you, same time with the master.
Okay, same time. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, green.
Yeah.
F center. Curve time is out of yellow. No warning light, no motion light. Tab is green. Okay, pick up first.
Okay, please.
Delta 594, number 2, call traffic of the base, early 26 left signal.
Say it again. 50594.
Delta 594, number 2, follow the traffic in the base, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Okay, hover down.
50594.
Good. And stop.
Stop.
Then make a straight line, the aiming point. Then moving.
Okay.
Okay, keep the center of the path 3 number. And heading the descent.
Okay.
Tail clear.
Okay, take clear.
And the
Left
nose please,
turn.
yeah. Please, Joseph, and sit down, please.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stand by, there's traffic.
But crosswind, you need a pedal adjustment.
Okay. You're moving back.
Yeah, little bit. Oh,
Yeah.
that's right, yeah.
Neutral.
Because, and landing like reflecting, then little bit,
Yeah.
you are, mental cycling. Almost. Good. Good. Not too much cycling. Yeah, keeping.
Yeah.
And pull down corrective.
Pull down and
Yep.
light pedals.
Yep.
Yeah, light pedals.
And next, back to Maverick. Take off from steep max takeoff, landing Maverick, steep approach.
Steep approach.
You know how to max takeoff?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know that.
Yeah, please show me.
Okay. First, the temperature, slow to,
Yeah.
yes, RPM for 75.
Yes.
Yeah, RPM for 75 first.
Where's the crosswalk? Do you want
Yeah, for here.
Okay.
And friction on.
Yep.
Yeah, collective friction on.
Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, make right, close traffic.
Yeah, 75.
Takeoff. Right close traffic, 21
And today's temperature is 20,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
20.
And this is the pressure altitude, right?
Yeah, pressure.
That's why 22, 20, 2992.
Yeah,
Then you need a pressure altitude almost zero, right?
yeah, almost zero.
Then after finish, pressure altitude and from the 80s, yeah, today the
29093.
3 little bit. You can read it.
Okay, it's almost sea level, and our temperature is 20,
Okay.
and our 5-minute maximum takeoff power is 235.
Yep.
Yeah, 235.
Yeah, it's key point in this case in the pressure altitude.
Yeah, pressure.
That's why
altitude.
you have to adjust in the 29992.
Yeah.
Then read the pressure altitude. Okay.
Okay.
Then after get, and the temperature 22, then you can follow.
Okay.
Yeah, because the helicopter can land in the out of the airport.
Out of the yellow.
And
Yeah.
out of the airport doesn't get the airport information, 80s. Then you have to refer to this, temperature.
Okay.
Then you can do it. Okay, next one, and
magnet.
yeah, magnet, please.
Magnet for 75.
Sierra 24, traffic ahead, clear left maneuvering 700, indicated.
Yeah, for here.
Yep.
And above.
Yep.
Left to light. 1000 to 1000.
Good.
Back to above.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, 21 on East Tower, company ahead and clear left has you in sight, north down
And
arrival.
75.
Okay.
And above. Left. 1000 to 1000.
Good.
Back to above.
Officer, proceed on runway 26 left.
Down 265, off 22.
Okay.
United 3781, runway 30.
United 37, on East Tower, runway 30,
And the friction off.
Yep.
30, United 3781.
Okay, and RPM up.
Yeah.
4. Turn left at Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
This is the Long Beach Airport, right? Tower Airport, right?
Yeah.
That's why, if you radio call and get the clearance, if you raise collective from the bottom, you need to spend more time.
Okay.
That's why, before radio call, you are raise collective little bit.
A little bit later.
Yeah, little bit, and maybe 16 or 17 inches.
Yeah, for here.
Yeah, much better than light on skid in the power. But, light on skid very, unstable. That's why during radio call, maybe most of people are climbing.
Okay.
Take off. That's why before light on skid, maybe before riding speed, 16 or 17 inches.
Okay.
Then, radio call. Then after finish the radio call, maximum takeoff.
Okay.
Yeah, because time, after get the clearance time, it can get short.
Okay. So first to radio call.
Yep.
Okay. Request landing at Maverick.
Yes.
Okay.
Then maximum takeoff. Okay.
Tower helicopter is your hotel at pass 3, request landing at Maverick.
That's a 1 wing on top of your base, runway 26 right, clear to land.
30 days,
no,
41 Lima Papa, clear to land, 26 right.
Autorotation, stand by, traffic landing, runway 30.
Maybe 30.
Yeah.
Hey, with the 7680 Hotel, pass 3 holding.
That's 3 hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the runway 30.
Yeah, 9 approaching.
Yeah, someone is approaching.
Helicopter 9995 November, Romeo 1 Beach Tower.
Another
Yeah. The other helicopter.
Atlantic is clear for takeoff and westward though, North River.
Maybe with Wadro.
Yeah.
Now landing.
Landing.
Yeah, maybe after, and tower say the contact ground, we can take off.
United Airlines.
Ready 3781, if you're able to make kilo, left at kilo, and then contact ground.
Okay, kilo to ground, United 3781.
Maybe next.
Okay. Next. Clear for takeoff.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 3 clear for takeoff and landing at Maverick Internet.
Pass 3 clear for takeoff and landing at Maverick, review on Malaysia Helicopter 83 Hotel.
Okay, just
Yeah.
show me max takeoff, just
Okay.
like pick up the vertical. Need to be moving the forward, okay?
Okay.
Okay.